Hey everyone, today we're diving into the HP 2023 newest all-in-one bundle PC, a sleek and powerful desktop solution tailored for business needs. Let's kick things off with the powerhouse under the hood, the 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor. With its 10 cores and 12 threads, coupled with turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz, multitasking feels like a breeze whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or diving into creative projects. Moving on to the display, this all-in-one beauty sports a generous 27-inch Full HD screen, offering a visually immersive experience with vibrant colors and crisp details. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics elevate both work and play, ensuring smooth visuals for productivity tasks and entertainment alike. And with features like IPS technology, anti-glare coating, and a 3-sided micro-edge design, your viewing experience remains comfortable even during extended use. When it comes to memory and storage, the HP all-in-one doesn't disappoint. With up to 32 GB of high-bandwidth DDR4 RAM, handling multiple applications simultaneously is a breeze, ensuring smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Plus, with up to 2 TB of SSD storage, you'll have ample space to store all your important files, documents, and media while enjoying optimal gaming performance. Connectivity-wise, this desktop offers flexibility and convenience with its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo, along with a variety of ports including SuperSpeed USB Type-A, HDMI out, and an Ethernet port for wired connections. Whether you're streaming content, transferring files, or connecting peripherals, the HP all-in-one has you covered. And let's not forget about the operating system. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, you get all the power and security of Windows 10 with a refreshed look and new features designed to enhance your productivity and overall computing experience. In conclusion, the HP 2023 newest all-in-one bundle PC delivers a compelling package for business users, combining powerful performance, immersive visuals, ample storage, and versatile connectivity options in a sleek and stylish design. If you're in the market for a reliable desktop solution to fuel your business endeavors, this all-in-one PC is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.